Because of COVID-19, everyone is on high alert to protect against the virus and stop the spread. Hand sanitizing and cleaning with disinfectant does a great job at killing viral microbes. Unfortunately, as soon as your hands or surfaces come in contact with something new, they are immediately recontaminated. We need to be able to go beyond clean. We need to be protected. MicroBIOstatics adhere to surfaces and mechanically destroy microbes in the same way that a balloon pops when it lands on a sharp object. When applied to surfaces, incorporated into a material, or rubbed into hands, the MicroBIOstatic antimicrobial coating forms a durable, positively charged covalent bond with the surfaces that attract negatively charged microbes. Now, when the microbes hit the surface, molecular spikes pierce the cell and rupture its cell membrane, causing the microorganism to die. Our two-step process is to disinfect, then protect with a MicroBIOstatic. In short, this system kills the bad stuff and protects against future bad stuff from making a home on your surfaces, materials, and hands. To learn more, go to microbiostaticclean.com.